Hi, I'm Deb from Satac. In this video, we're going to walk through a typical undergraduate application. You apply online at satac.edu.au. The Satac website has all the information you need to support you through the application process. To begin a new application, choose Apply Now from the homepage. Then, choose Undergraduate Domestic Applicants from the application options. Depending on the time of the year, you may be able to choose between two different application cycles. Here, we'll look at a 2022 application. To register a new undergraduate application, enter your details in the form on the right-hand side of the page. Before you can proceed, you will need to read and accept the terms and conditions of the application and Satac's privacy policy. Check your details are correct before you confirm your registration. A confirmation email is then sent to your email address. You will need to activate the application using the link in this email before you can apply. Once you have logged into your application, you will see the welcome screen. It has some helpful hints for completing the application. You can use the menu on the left to navigate the sections of the application or choose the Next button. We can now fill out the personal details page with our information. Double check to make sure your details are correct. When you have filled in each field, click Save and then Next. You will need to click Save after you finish making changes to each page in the application. If you make a mistake entering your name or date of birth, you will need to contact Satac to correct it. If you have a unique student identifier or USI, please enter it in your Satac application. You will need a USI to access Commonwealth support or to graduate in the future. The courses you add to your Satac application are known as your preferences. There are a few different ways to search for the courses you want on this page. If you already know the Satac code for the course you want to apply for, enter it here to view that course only. You can also search by keyword, and we recommend using as few keywords as possible for best results. There are filters you can use to narrow your search results. The search works best with fewer filters applied. Selecting a course from the search results will bring up the course description. The course description includes important information about the course. Read the whole course entry so you have all the information you need to maximize your chances of an offer. You can add up to 6 undergraduate courses to your application. You can add courses from a range of institutions and for different start dates through the year. You can reorder your preferences using the up and down arrows to the left of the preference. To delete a preference, choose the trash can icon to the right. List courses in the order you'd most like to study them. Your first preference should be the course you are most interested in. Use your lower preferences to list courses you'd consider if you miss out on your first choice. After you have picked your course preferences, you can enter your qualifications. Satac will assess your qualifications in support of your application. On the School Studies page, enter information about your Year 12 studies. If you are a current Year 12 student, it's important to include your student registration number. This number is from your Board of Studies and helps us access your Year 12 results when they are available. Current Year 12 students also pay a lower processing fee than other applicants. If you have completed Year 12 over more than 1 year, enter each year separately. This helps us ensure we get all of your results. When you have finished adding your Year 12 studies, the application will ask if you have any other Year 12 studies to add. You can now answer no to the question and then save to continue. You can enter details of your other qualifications in much the same way. The application allows you to provide foundation studies, tertiary studies, and vet level certificates. Make sure you complete each of the requested fields with accurate information. This is especially important if Satac is to access your results on your behalf. We will have difficulty doing this if you've entered the wrong information. Keep an eye out as you go for alerts and important information. If you haven't done a particular type of study, simply answer no to the question and save to continue. An important note on the certificates page for students who did vet in school as part of their SACE. It's a good idea to enter your vet certificate in this section too. It may be that you can use it to compete for entry to the course in the vet pathway, and it gives Satac a complete picture of your qualifications. If the course you are applying for considers employment experience, you will also be able to add this to your application. The University's Equity Scheme can improve the Year 12 selection rank of eligible students. If you qualify for the scheme based on the school you attended, your rank will automatically be adjusted and you don't need to tell Satac anything. Other applicants with Australian Year 12 qualifications will be able to complete the University's Equity Scheme page. You can be considered for the scheme if you or your parent or guardian received a means-tested Centrelink payment or held a healthcare or pensioner concession card, or if you had a South Australian government school card at any time during your Year 12 studies. The Submit page becomes active once you have completed all sections of the application. Check that your information is complete and correct and confirm using the checkbox. You can now submit your application. After you submit your application, you will see your Satac reference number. Keep a note of it in case you need to contact us for help with your application. You can also pay application fees, submit documents, change your preferences, check your offer status, and more. You can contact Satac if you have any questions or need help with your application. Our team is happy to help you. Get in touch with us online or in person.